Hello guys, it's Mokubeye. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to fix installation failed. Destination folder already exists. So if you face this difficulty when you're about installing a plugin and you face this destination file folder exists already. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to go to your C panel. Once you get to your C panel, you click on what? File Manager. After which it is going to take you to another interface where we are going to click on public HTML. After that, we are going to click on content. So after that, we click on what? Plugins. So guys, we are going to be selecting the all-in-one plugin because it's causing that error. That's the plugin, the all-in-one migration plugin. So I'll simply click on select. Yep, confirm. So once I'm done with that, I'll go back to my WordPress website dashboard. After that, I will refresh the browser. After which, I'm going to click on what? Install now. So guys, we are just solving that issue. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.